Hey beauties, I'm Carla, makeup artist, speaker, business owner, and founder of Creative Contour by Carla. I believe we should love wearing makeup should we choose to. In this podcast, I will break down the harmful rhetoric spewed by the beauty industry. Follow along to love yourself, gain confidence, and enjoy a little glam. Hey beauties, welcome back to the Creative Contour by Carla podcast. Today I want to speak with you about why you should learn how to do your own makeup and why learning this look from a professional is going to benefit you. So let's get into the content. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about why you should learn how to do your own makeup. So the first part of this is that it is reliable. Let me explain. So in your everyday routine, if you choose to wear makeup, learning how to do your own makeup is going to solve like 90% of your problems when it comes to wearing makeup. When you choose to wear makeup, learning how to properly apply it is the best method for you, and it's going to ensure the most success. Because when we choose to wear makeup, instead of just slapping it on and hoping for the best, learning how to do it is just going to make your life easier. You're going to have your makeup routine and it's just going to fit in your lifestyle. And that's the truth. The second part of this is that we all have unique features. So what works well on me may not work well on you and vice versa. So you need to learn how to properly apply makeup for your unique features and your unique needs. And here's also the truth. Life happens. So even when you hire a makeup artist or you're thinking about hiring a makeup artist, sometimes our schedules fill up. Sometimes people have life emergencies. Sometimes you're just, you're late to the game on it and maybe the person is not available. So having your own makeup look and learning your own makeup look is always going to be reliable for you. Does that mean that you should never call us when you want your makeup done? No, absolutely not. But the point is that you can always rely on your makeup look because you learned how to properly apply your makeup. Now let's get into why you should learn from a professional makeup artist. Now, there are tons of hacks and tips and techniques out there on social media. But here's the other thing behind it. It's really overwhelming. And just because somebody resembles you doesn't mean how they put their makeup on is going to look good on you. And that's just the truth. So when you learn how to put your makeup on, learning from a professional is going to help you create the makeup routine and techniques you need for your unique features. Beauties, I'm going to say, as a makeup artist of at least 12 years and a business owner of at least 8 years, the benefits of learning how to do your makeup, like I can't even explain it to you in words. Like I see such a transformation in my clientele. People were like, oh my God, I didn't know that like there was an easier way to do this. I didn't understand that this technique does not work well for me. I didn't understand that there are other techniques that work better for me. There's so many benefits behind learning from a professional, but also because we're out in the field actively working with everyday people. We're not somebody in a screen saying, this is what I do and you should do it too. We're telling you exactly what you should do for you and what you need. I think also sometimes we forget that we are real people and we just watch an influencer on the other side of the screen. So we just assume because they're doing it that you should do it. But here's the truth. What you need is not necessarily what they're offering you. So when you sit down with a professional, we can sit down and break down everything that you need for your makeup routine and apply proper technique. I've done this in every single makeup class I've ever taught in my entire career. And I don't think I've ever taught the same makeup class twice. And that's the truth. So beauties, to sum up our episode today, you absolutely should learn how to properly apply your makeup should you choose to wear makeup. And you should learn from a professional so that way you can learn how to properly apply the makeup look that you desire. I hope this was really beneficial for all of you, and I can't wait to see you in future episodes. Bye.